Welcome to our channel where we explore the ultimate kitchen companions. Today, we're diving into the world of culinary excellence with our guide to the best cookware set. From non-stick wonders to durable stainless steel essentials, we'll uncover the top picks that'll transform your cooking experience. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Tefal Ultimate Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set. For an outstanding combination of quality and value, we highlight the Tefal Cookware Set. These pans are notably lightweight and performed admirably in tests, though it's advisable to avoid oven use due to the handle material and a maximum temperature rating of 350 degrees Fahrenheit. A particularly useful feature for novices is the heat indicator, which signals when the pan has reached the optimal preheating temperature for cooking. While there was some sticking of eggs to the side during our omelette test, the omelette itself was easy to roll out. The 2-quart saucepan excelled in cooking both sauce and rice. Achieving this without any food sticking, scorching, or burning. Testing for temperature consistency on the surfaces of pots and pans revealed slight irregularities, but these were minimal. The pan sizes are practical for a variety of cooking needs, and considering the set's affordability, it presents an excellent value proposition, combining cost-effectiveness with solid performance. Additionally, the stockpot stood out by boiling water more quickly than any other in our testing cohort, with the pans demonstrating rapid and uniform heating. The soft, padded handles are designed to remain cool, adding to the set's appeal. Number 2. Carotte 10 PCS Non-Stick Cookware Sets. The Carotte 10-piece non-stick granite induction set superbly marries top-tier functionality with affordability, positioning it as a standout bargain in our roundup. Its exceptionally smooth, mineral-infused, granite, non-stick coating excels in use, delighting both the cook and whoever has the task of washing up. The set's well-rounded assortment impresses us, featuring 2 frying pans, a saucepan, a casserole pot, a large sauté pan, a vegetable steamer, and a few sturdy, vented lids. From sautéing and boiling to searing, braising, and frying, each item proved its mettle in our evaluations, leaving us amazed at how its superior performance and quality stack up against an incredibly fair price. The phrase, "tremendous value," repeatedly sprang to mind. Ultimately, we're thoroughly smitten with this set for its combination of aesthetic appeal, stellar performance, and affordability. As an alternative, the Tefal Signature Non-Stick Dishwasher Safe 12-piece presents another budget-friendly, non-stick choice. Pros: excellent non-stick performance. Works with induction stoves. Versatile, comprehensive collection. Non-stick dishwasher safe. Cons: handle connections are not riveted. Number 3. Cuisinart Multiclad Pro 12-piece Stainless Cookware Set. The Cuisinart MCP 12N Multiclad Pro Triple Ply 12-piece set stands out as the premier choice in stainless steel cookware. In our evaluation, the set demonstrated remarkable durability and ease of cleaning, suggesting it's built to last. Safe for oven use up to 500 degrees, we observed consistent temperature distribution across the pans during tests. Temperatures varied slightly, from 350 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to 334 degrees Fahrenheit around different parts of the pan, ensuring that whether you're searing meat or fish, you'll achieve uniform cooking with minimal effort. In one test, we seared several scallops and were pleased to find they didn't stick, flipped smoothly, and were easily removed, resulting in perfectly even, golden browning. The set also excelled in preparing a frittata, showing minimal sticking and delivering an appealing, even sear. Post-cooking, the pans showed little to no discoloration and were straightforward to clean. One point to consider is the solid lids, which require lifting to monitor your cooking, but this minor inconvenience is offset by the convenience of dishwasher safety for all components, facilitating easy cleanup after any spills. Number 4. KitchenAid Hard Anodized Non-Stick Cookware Set. For a non-stick cookware set that combines ease of use with simplicity in cleaning, consider the KitchenAid Hard Anodized 10-piece set. Its understated appearance and sleek contours mean that nothing, not even the most stubborn eggs, adhered to it in our tests. Even a mishap with burnt rice proved no match for the non-stick surface, effortlessly releasing from the pot. The set features handles that are designed with comfort in mind, boasting ergonomic shapes with smooth, curved edges for a pleasant grip. It's worth mentioning, though, that the 8-inch skillet and the 3-quart pot come with shorter handles, which didn't feel as user-friendly. Durability is a strong suit across this collection, and while each piece is dishwasher safe, cleaning is nearly as easy as a quick rinse and wipe under running water with a dishcloth. We encountered some challenges with even heating, notably when preparing scrambled eggs in the 10-inch skillet. and found that the pot handles could get uncomfortably warm during use, so it's wise to keep a towel or oven mitt handy for handling them. What stands out? The anodized exteriors are scratch-proof, oven-safe, and dishwasher-safe. Number 5. Caraway Non-Stick Ceramic Cookware Set. The 7-piece cookware ensemble from the direct-to-consumer brand Caraway seamlessly blends performance with aesthetics, meticulously curated. Each set offers a range of chic hues and a contemporary silhouette that enhances the visual appeal of any kitchen. Beyond its stylish exterior, Caraway cookware consistently delivers exceptional results. With precise and uniform heat distribution, these pots and pans achieve a delicate sear on meats and gently caramelized onions without any scorching. During our trials, the non-stick surface effortlessly cooks eggs evenly, ensuring they slide out of the pan with ease, making cleanup a breeze after every use. Setting itself apart from other options, this set includes a magnetic pan rack and a canvas lid holder for convenient storage inside your cabinets. While they are oven and dishwasher safe for added convenience, hand washing is recommended to preserve their pristine appearance, although most food residues can be effortlessly removed with a little soap and warm water. Pros. Rounded interior for easy sautéing. Comes with storage. Even heat distribution. Cons. Could use an additional small fry pan.